Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Virtual Preschool. I am so glad you have decided to join me for circle time today. Let's figure out what the last day of school, or what today is, I'm sorry. Let's figure out what the day is today. So the last day of school was Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So today is Tuesday. Yes, so let's move that rainbow arrow up to Tuesday. All right, and who remembers the name of our month? May. Yes, so let's go ahead and count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What comes next? 21. And let's figure out our pattern. Blue pattern. Boy, I am just all about saying the wrong word today. Blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. What comes next? Blue flower. Yes, so we have a number 21 with a blue flower on it. All right, that was last Friday. That was a forest class day. 19, 20, 21. What comes next? 22. So blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. Blue flower. What comes next? Pink flower. Yes, so we have a number 22 with a pink flower on it. All right, that was Saturday. That was a weekend day. 20, 21, 22. What comes next? 23. And blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. Blue flower, pink flower. What comes next? Bird. Yes, so we have a number 23 with a bird on it, and that was Sunday. That was another weekend day. 21, 22, 23. What comes next? 24. Blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. Blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. Yes, so we have a number 24 with a bird on it, and that was yesterday, Monday, a forest class day. So we have one more to go. 22, 23, 24. What comes next? 25. And our pattern. Blue flower, pink flower, bird, bird. What comes next? Blue flower. Yes, so we have a number 25 with a blue flower on it. So let's say our whole date. Today is Tuesday, May 25th, 2021, and it is our last week of school for this school year. I cannot believe it. And I'm going to miss you all so much over the summer. So, guess what season is coming up next? And I just said it. Did you hear what I said? Yeah, I said summer, didn't I? So, remember up here we have our pictures for fall, winter, and spring. I know there's quite a glare up there. I'm not quite sure how bad the glare is for you all. But fall, winter, and spring are up there already. And summer is coming up next. Now, summer doesn't start officially until towards the end of June, but it is already feeling like summer outside with the temperatures, right? It's getting much warmer out. So, let me show you some summer pictures. There is a picture. This is a farm, looks like, that grows strawberries. Strawberries are a summer fruit. We have a picture of some fireworks for the 4th of July. That comes in the summer. And then we have another picture of we can see that the trees all have leaves on them. There's some kids and dogs out playing because it's nice and warm, right? And that is what happens in the summer. So we still need to figure out the weather for today too. So let's look out your window and see if it is partly cloudy, cloudy, sunny, windy, rainy, stormy, or snowy. And if you step out your door, does it feel burning hot, hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing cold? And don't forget to check that weather app to see what the number is for the temperature. All right, so we're actually going to be talking all about summer this week, since it's our last week before our summer break starts, even though our summer break starts before summer actually starts. So I have my mystery envelope here, and we have to turn it sideways again because the book was too wide to fit in there. And let's pull it out and see what our book is today. Oh, so our book is called Hello, Summer, and you can see some pictures of some kids on the front. This little girl, it looks like, is looking or smelling some flowers. This little boy is eating some ice cream. This little girl is wearing sunglasses. We have kids at the beach and kids playing. Let's see, where's this playing? Looks like in a sprinkler or a splash pad. All things that we do in the summer, right? When it's warm outside. Summertime is almost here. Spring green leaves grow bigger and turn greener. The days are getting warmer and longer. Have you noticed that it stays lighter out later in the day now? Have you noticed that? I sure have. The sun is strong and hot. We wear hats, sunglasses, and sunblock. We go barefoot in the grass. Fluffy white clouds dot deep blue skies. And then it's the longest day of the year and the first day of summer, the summer solstice. So the first day of summer is also called summer solstice, and it comes towards the end of June. It's also the longest day of the year. We are hot and thirsty. We drink lemonade and lots of water and eat watermelon, ice cream, and popsicles. Ice cream is one of my favorite summer treats. I just actually had some ice cream over the weekend. Sometimes dark clouds move in and there's a thunderstorm. It's cooler after the rain. Water and sun help our gardens grow and flowers bloom. Bees collect pollen, butterflies sip nectar, dragonflies land. Fireflies flash in the early night sky. Have you ever seen a firefly? We celebrate summer with fireworks, picnics, and barbecues. Berries ripen and are ready to eat. Blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. Plums and peaches too. So many different summer fruits. We play outside in parks and playgrounds and go to county fairs. We go to the beach. Seagulls soar, crabs creep, waves crash. We jump and surf, dig and build. We find treasures. I am so excited to go to the beach. One of my favorite places. We cool down in sprinklers and at water parks. We swim and float in pools and explore ponds. Ducks dive for food. Salamanders crawl. Turtles sit and sun. Frogs leap. In summer, animals need to eat a lot to grow. We enjoy nature. We fish and camp, boat and bike, or just relax. In late summer, the days get shorter and the nights cooler. The leaves start to turn different colors, and then autumn is here. Remember, autumn is the same thing as fall? We talked about that in the fall, didn't we? Way back at the beginning of the school year. All right, so that had lots of different things about summer in it, didn't it? So let me show you some of the work we have this week. We don't have a lot. It's our last week of school, so we don't usually have a lot of new work. In the email I sent home to your parents and grandparents, there are a whole bunch of different ideas for things you can do this summer, all right? And also don't forget about that big list of art activities, art projects that I sent out the week before. Those are good things to do in the summer too. So in your packet, you have something that looks like this. It looks like a bucket, and it says summer bucket list on it. So a bucket list is basically just a list of things that you want to do. So this is a list of things that you want to do in the summer. It's a summer bucket list. So I'm going to show you 2 pages of it today and the last page on Friday. So you're going to lift up the first flap like this, and then you're going to fold it back. And on the bottom of this page, it says, friends I want to see. So you're going to draw a picture of some friends that you would like to see this summer, okay? And then we're going to turn the page to the next one. And the next one says, places I want to go. So you're going to draw a picture of places you want to go in the summer here. And then also the part I forgot to tell you, and the lights went out, so I'm sure the picture looks a little funny again now. Don't forget to have your parents or grandparents write what you say about the places you want to go and the friends that you want to see, okay? Then the last thing I have to show you today are some more lists of ideas of things you can do over the summer. So this one is called a preschool summer fun list. It has lots and lots of ideas for you for the summer. And this one is called 100 Fun Ideas Summer Bucket List. So lots of good ideas on there too. And the great thing about these 2 lists is most of the ideas are very COVID friendly, all right? So they're going to be safe to do during this time. All right, so I hope you have a great rest of your day. We only have one more day of circle time on Thursday, and don't forget on Thursday we have our 3's class picnic outside here by the preschool, all right? So don't forget about that. It's in your email. Bye, everyone.